Hello everybody. Well, here it is. Remote Identification of Unmanned Aircraft Systems, NPRM by the FAA. The deadline for comments is in 7 days, 3/2/2020. Here's the PDF version of the document right down here on the page. You can download that if you need to. So submit your comments. This is important. We got several 100,000 people that fly RC and are in the RC hobby, innovators, educators, everybody. I mean, STEM programs, all this stuff is going to be gone if we don't stop this. We have to stop this. So comment. 24,000 comments. That's disgusting compared to the number of people that fly RC aircraft in this country. We need to stop this thing now. Submit your comments. The link to this page is in the description, along with another alternate page to submit your comments. Also, send this to your representatives. I got a link to find your representative in the description, and a way to how to contact your U.S. Senators link in the description as well. Send it to them as well. Submit your comments. Deadline is coming soon. This is next Monday. Submit now.